Hello guys, today I am going to explain about unit conversion. In this question, we are asked to calculate the densities of substance in pound mass per cubic feet. For question 1a, we are given with a liquid with a known density of 995 kg per meter cube. So, in order to convert from kilogram per meter cube to pound mass per cubic feet, we need to know 1 kilogram is equal to how many pound and 1 meter cube is equal to how many cubic feet. And this information, we can get it from the appendix. Transferring this information into this table, we can get the final answer by multiplying 995 kg per meter cube with 2.204 pound mass per kilogram and dividing it with 35.31 cubic feet. And don't forget to cancel the like terms, the like unit, so that we know that we are doing the right conversion. After performing those calculations, we finally know that the final answer is 62.10 pound mass per cubic feet. For question 1b, we are given with a specific density of 5.7. And as we all know, specific gravity is equal to density of substance, which is what we want, divided it with density of water, which is 1000 kg per meter cube. To find the density of substance, we need to multiply the specific gravity with the density of water. So now, we already got the density of substance, but the problem now is the unit is in kilogram per meter cube once again. So we need to repeat the steps in 1a to convert from kilogram per meter cube to pound mass per cubic feet, which can be done by multiplying with 2.204 pound mass per kilogram and divide with 35.31 feet cube. So the final answer that we get is 355.8 pound mass per cubic feet. That's all. Thank you for watching.